Hey up! Hey, welcome back to the channel. I try and do a video every month, and if I can, I'll try and get it done sooner. But today's video is an update to my 50 cal air rifle. It's based on the Giardoni air rifle from a long time ago. I think 1760, somewhere like that. Lewis and Clark had one on their expedition across the country, and they were dropping buffalo. Theirs was a .46. I'm doing a .5, only because I got the barrel for 15 bucks. And it had a stuck sparge, and I drilled it out and tapped it. Anyway, I'm going to go through how this kind of works. And this week, this update is me adding the magazine on here. It's a 10 round magazine. May get more into it. And I've got the breech, not the breech, well, I did the breech and did the bolt. Anyway, video on that, and then once that's done, I'll go through the mechanism on how it fires. So, hope you enjoy. I have to work out how to mount this tube on here, but I also have to have a mount for this, and that will kind of determine how long this piece is, because I have to figure out how to make a stop. Okay, so I changed my mind. The 19/32 was too small, so I've gone to 5/8. I just want that little bit more. So I'm re-drilling the hole. Okay, so the hole drilled. Now to figure this out again. Okay, so I've got the magazine welded to the barrel. That was quite difficult. That barrel, it was weird welding, and this pipe is not mild steel, and that was weird welding too. So I ended up using a TIG, bronze TIG weld, or bronze filler rod. Okay, so this is the bolt. There'll be a hole in here. You push that way, it picks up around and then puts it back. Now I need to make a brick here, or a block with a groove, so I can position this. I may drill a hole in there, put a screw so it goes on a channel, and then I've also at the back here got to put a drill hole and something to stop, so that's as far as it'll go that way. Anyway, moving along, it's getting there. Okay, so I've got that cut, and that was just freehand, hacksaw, not following a line, just following the edge of the vise. It's probably the best I've done. Anyway, let's explain this. Okay, so I've got the magazine welded. I still need to put a spring on the side here, so it forces this back. Then I've got to put a stop on here, so it always stops here. Next bit, put a screw in here, and then cut this channel so it rides in there. So, moving along. Okay, here's the mechanism. This is my mainspring. So when you ratchet that back, you put load on it. There's a catch here that holds it back. When you pull the trigger, it lets it go, comes forward, and it hits a pin here and hits the valve on the SodaStream tank. And then air travels through here and into the rifle and down. End of this quick update video on my 50 cal air rifle build. Still more to go, and I'll do some updates as I go along. Still got to do some casting. I want to cast one of these in bronze, and I've got to do some more shot glasses, I try and do a video once a month. It's difficult with work, life, work travel. Last week I was in Nashville for a week. That is a cool place. The honky tonk bars down on Broadway. Bucket list town for certain to go. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber, and see you on the next video.